everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means the YouTubers nail art weekly stamping collabs. I think I got that wrong. I don't know. So I'm doing the Facebook collabs that I do almost every week. I've been trying to do them more often. So this week the host is actually me. So I came up with the stained glass as the theme, mainly because that was the theme for one of my mani box for February, and I really wanted to do a nail design about it, and I thought it'd be really cool, and I have the perfect products for it. So we're gonna do a stained glass mani. I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. If you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome, and I hope you like what you see, and I hope you subscribe as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. I'm gonna show you what is on my nails, and we're gonna get to some stamping. Alright, so that is what my nails currently look like. So to get this, first off, I used the Bio Seaweed Gel No Sanding Base Coat and cured that under my lamp. And then I used a 58 Peony, also by Bio Seaweed Gel, but I mixed this with a clear polish to get a very transparent looking color. So I only added like probably 1 drop and about, I don't know, 5 or 6 drops of clear just to kind of get all my nails. So it's a very like light color, and if you actually look at Peony, it is a very beautiful purple. So I just wanted like a clear kind of look to this design, so that is that. And then I used this Born Pretty Store powder to top it off. This is like the bluish one. I just wanted a really neat background that look great with some lead lighting or stained glass nail design. And then I topped it off with the Bio Seaweed Gel No Wipe top coat. I did that a couple of times, but yeah, so that is what my base currently looks like. I just wanted something light and something that would kind of hopefully stand out, or make the stamps stand out. Anyways, so we're going to be using the Moira Nail Art Stamping Plate 44 Stained Glass. It is brand new. I have not touched this one yet, so we're going to peel off this film. And then we're going to use a bunch of Hit the Bottle polishes. So this is Hit the Bottle, and this is Fireball. Then I have this one here. This is a Bumblebee. I also have a purple one, and this is a Purple Hooter. And I'm also going to use an Essie. These are the watercolor ones. I just wanted a blue as well. This one is called Pen and Ink. So I got all the Hit the Bottle polish and the stained glass plate from my mini box. So those are all on Beautometry. And then the Essie one I got at Loblaws. And Bio Seaweed Gels I got on their website. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into this video. We're just going to peel off the blue film. That is a thicker one than normal. So that is what the plate looks like. Very nice. I'm thinking I'm going to probably use, what was it? I want to use the Fox. I think maybe the Bumblebee. And there's something else. I don't know. We're going to see how it goes, but it looks like a really neat plate. So we're going to use black stampy polish. I'm going to use Born Pretty Store, and this is the White Knight series, and this is Throne. So I'm going to stamp with this, and then I'm going to fill in with the Hit the Bottle and the Essie polish. And this is called Lead Lighting. Also, I guess it's kind of reverse stamping in a way too, but I guess that's what it's called now, new to me, but apparently I was doing it all along just in a different way. I think it's because it's like the clear or like the jelly polishes that you fill it in with. So I'm just gonna get prepped and we're good to go. Alright, so we're gonna stamp this one. And I'm just going to use the clear Wet n Wild nail protector. So I'm going to do it 2 different ways. I'm also going to use the Queen Sticky Squishy Stamper. I'm going to see if that works too. I'm trying it in 2 different ways to kind of figure out, but I'm going to do this peacock here because it looks so cool. And then I'm just going to fill this in right away. And I think we're going to use the blue and the purple and the yellow. So I want. finished nails design. It didn't turn out too bad. I could have done it a little bit better, but for my first time doing it like this, I think it turned out good. Like, it's not bad. But yeah, so that is everything for today. I hope you liked today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.